Hello everyone, I am Professor Sushant Mohite, working as the Head of Electrical Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In previous video, we start the practical number 6 of subject Energy Conservation and Audit. The title of practical number 6 is to determine net energy saving by lamp replacement. So, in this practical, we take an example of classroom number 11. In this classroom, total 7 fluorescent tubes are installed. The capacity or the rating of this fluorescent tube is the 36 watt. Means it consumes the 36 watt power. So, in this practical, the main aim of this practical, first find out the existing lamp, find out the power consumption of the existing lamp or the already connected in the classroom number 11, and then next replace this lamp with the energy efficient lamp. That is, here we use the LED. The rating of this LED is 18 watt, and then once again calculate the power consumption of the LED, and then next compare which lamp is used or which lamp is used and why energy efficient lamps are used. Okay, so resources used, here we use the FTL20. The rating of this lamp is a 36 watt, electrical choke 230 volt 50 hertz, and the next, the second is the LED. This is the energy efficient lamp. The rating is a 18 watt 230 volt. The quantity is a 7. Then next is the observation and calculation. Here we assume that lamps are operate for 7 hours per day, and the cost per energy is rupees 3. This is the assumption, and the number of days in a particular month is 26, excluding 4 Sundays. So the first column is the power rating of existing lamp is 36 watt. This is the 36 watt is the rating of fluorescent tube which is already connected in classroom, into 7. 7 is the number of quantity. So there is equal to 252 watt. Energy consumption per month by the existing lamp which is already connected in classroom, which is equal to 252 watt into 7 hours into 26 days, which is equal to 45,864 watt hour, which is equal to 45.864 kilowatt hour. This calculation for the existing lamp which is already connected in classroom number 11. The next is a power rating of energy efficient lamp, that is the LED. So the rating of the LED is 18 watt into 7. 7 is a quantity which is equal to 126 watt. So the energy consumption per month by energy efficient lamp, that is a LED, which is equal to 126 watt into 7 hours into 26 days, which is equal to 22,932 watt hours. That is equal to 22.932 kilowatt hour. So the finally the net energy saving per month is the 45.864 kilowatt hour minus 22.932 kilowatt hour, which is equal to 22.932 kilowatt hour. So the net saving in monthly bill in rupees is equal to, this is the final result of this practical, is net energy saving into cost per unit, which is equal to, net energy saving is the 22.932 kilowatt hour into rupees 3, which is equal to rupees 68.80, that is rupees 69. Means after replacing of LED with existing lamp, that is FT, the net energy saving or net saving in monthly bill is rupees 68.80, that is rupees 69. This is the final conclusion of this practical number 6. Thank you very much.